Hello everyone, welcome back to Grey Pot. Today we are making depression cake, also known as wacky cake or war cake. It is a cake made without milk, eggs or butter. These were all ingredients that were hard to come by during the Great Depression and at war time. But just because times are hard doesn't mean we don't deserve a sweet treat. So let's see how to make this delicious chocolate cake without any milk, egg or butter. So into a large bowl, add some water. Into that add vinegar, some vanilla essence, some vegetable oil or any flavorless oil and some sugar. Mix everything really well. Into that add some all-purpose flour, cocoa powder and baking soda. Sift and add it to the wet ingredients. Now mix it gently. Once the cake batter is ready, pour that into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Once you mix both the wet and dry ingredients together, immediately transfer it into the oven and bake it at 180-degree preheated oven for around 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Now once it slightly cools down, take it out from the oven. Meanwhile, let's prepare a chocolate glaze with some powdered sugar, cocoa powder and some water. Mix it. Once it becomes this consistency, our chocolate spread is also ready. Now pour it on top of the chocolate cake and spread it. Look how fluffy and airy the chocolate cake is. So do try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. See you soon with the next video. Bye bye.